Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your last love bite of the month. And these are general collective readings, Virgo, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Virgo, simple 9-card spread. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today. And a warm welcome back to all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again and supporting the channel. I'm very, very grateful. And if you're new here, Virgo, of course, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Oh, Virgo, what happened? Center of my spread, I have the 6 of Cups in reverse. Still very wrapped up in your past, maybe with some bad memories with a soulmate. Okay. Queen of Pentacles in reverse. So this is a person who's not very happy, not feeling respected, not feeling, given that place, position that they so desire. So let's put this here, and somebody feels somebody made a fool out of them. They wanted a choice, or they're making a choice now regarding a soulmate because they feel there's no clarity, there is no stable brand new beginning, maybe there's a commitment problem, or they could even feel that their person is a promise breaker. They don't mean what they say. So whatever's going on here, Virgo, I'm going to first start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify these cards. So Virgo and their person, spirit. Virgo and their person. And Virgo, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. And please mention where you're mailing from, because I have to do the time zone. I do readings for people from all over the world, and I have to offer the slot which works for you, right? So please mention the country that you're mailing from and the state if you're in the US or whatever. So Virgo and their person, spirit. Okay, let's take a few from here as well. Virgo and their person. Oops. Virgo and their person. Virgo and their person. Thank you. Virgo and their person, spirit. All right, good to go, Virgo. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I know that I shouldn't compare you to others. I know that I shouldn't compare others to you, but I just can't help it. You're a tough act to follow, and absolutely no one measures up. No matter what has happened between us, you're still the one. I'm haunted by your presence. I see you in my dreams. I hear you telepathically. Every song I hear reminds me of you. I see your name everywhere and numbers that have special meaning to us. Everything reminds me of you, and all I want is you. If this is happening to you, why do you stay at a distance? There is no escape for me. When I try and move on, I'm haunted even more. Who knew that one of the greatest challenges of my life would be the love of my life, who after meeting would eternally haunt my very existence? With just one text, one call, one look, one smile, you make my day. You're the most important person in my life, and it doesn't matter where I am. I'm always thinking of you, day and night. You were in my dreams again last night. Again, same card. You were in my dreams again last night. I always dream of you every night. You are my ultimate fantasy. I'm in a relationship with someone else. still, you're always on my mind and in my heart. All I want is you. Though we cannot meet or see each other, still I love you more every day. My heart belongs to you for eternity. Life is too short to keep your feelings to yourself. I cannot stay silent any longer with these words hidden inside my heart and soul because they want to burst out of my chest and my mouth. I love you. Please make time for me. You seem distant, not yourself. I feel you pulling away from me. I don't expect you to wait for me, but I hope you understand I need time. Alright, Virgo, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you, Virgo. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Okay, too many cards. No, one card, Spirit. Blessing, guidance, advice. Again, two cards. Oh my God. Okay, so let's take them this time. Be brave and vision. Somebody needs to gather up their courage here, Virgo, and see what they want in their future. Maybe somebody is being too cowardly here. Maybe this Knight of Cups is promising the earth but delivering nothing. Alright, so let's, So, Fool card, Spirit in reverse. Why is the Fool card here in reverse? Fool card here in reverse. Why is the Fool card in reverse? One more. Somebody does want, they feel, oh, Fool card again in reverse, my God. Somebody is feeling very foolish here. Somebody is feeling rather foolish that maybe they feel that their person who they admire a lot, they feel, this person is so dynamic, handsome, good looking, everything, but never bringing any balance to this connection. So now I think their partner started feeling that they're making a fool of me, because I see them still as single or on their own or taking care of themselves, trying to heal their broken heart, still hoping and wishing for a return. Always hoping, always hoping, always wishing that that person will one day return back to them and heal their heart, and this conflict will be over and we can finally come to a peaceful place in our life. But they always have to do this by themselves. This is like retreating and fantasizing and wishing and hoping and wondering whether, I hope we have this new beginning, because I don't see them anywhere. But I'm hoping that they will return. They will return and heal things between us. Conflict will be over. We will find peace, but not seeing that new beginning happening yet. And somewhere wondering whether they're being made a fool out of. So, Six of Swords, Spirit. Six of Swords. Six of Swords. Somebody is really either wanting to or wishing for it. Somebody wants their person to come towards them and offer this brand new beginning, or maybe somebody wants to offer this. They do want to start a brand new chapter with their person. They want a brand new chapter. They want stability, end of conflict, an apology maybe, or just an offering of, let's begin again and let's end the old conflict. Two of Swords in reverse. Two of Swords in reverse for Virgo. One more. I think whenever the person, this Nine of Pentacles person, asks to be, will you make a decision? Are we ever going to make a decision? It ends up in a fight. it ends up in a fight, and it always makes them feel again left out, abandoned, feeling like unappreciated or left behind or something like that, because that person refuses to invest, doesn't put in the work. Nothing is growing here, because each time a decision has to be made, it ends up in a conflict or something. So now there are bad memories in this connection. 6 of Cups in reverse. Bad memories because there's no clarity as to what's happening here. Somebody is being very immature, always keeping their person in limbo. Whereas one person could just say, tell me the truth. I just need to know the truth. I don't want conflict. I just want to find peace in my life. But all they get is immature behavior and back and forth energy. So that's the reason that there's conflict here. Ace of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Ace of Swords in reverse. I think it's making the person quite angry now. It's making the person angry that no clarity is coming. They feel this King of Wands is behaving like a Knight of Wands, just comes in whenever they want, maybe for passion or for sex or something, and they leave as quickly. This feminine energy here is, I think, losing their cool now. They're getting angry, and they're realizing, I think, that if they're going to keep behaving like this, I think it's up to me now to kind of blow this connection apart. I have to bring back justice and balance into my own life. This can't go on forever where, I have no clarity. There is nothing being offered here. There's no stable brand new beginning here. There is no commitment that is being offered here. My person seems more like a promise breaker to me than anything else. So, Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Ace of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, they feel somebody is making only foolish mistakes here or foolish choices here. They're not fighting for this connection, not offering anything which is stable or grounded. No commitment is being offered here. One more for the Hierophant in reverse, Spirit. Yes, certain things have come out in the open. That maybe this person is not ready yet, or they don't want things to change. And their partner's kind of... Yes, 10 of Pentacles in reverse as well, right? So maybe certain things have come out, maybe about their own marriage, that, I am not ready for this change, or I can't change the circumstances I'm in. Something has been revealed that this King of Wands is not ready right now to fight for this connection. So, Knight of Cups in reverse. Knight of Cups in reverse. Knight of Cups in reverse. Oh. Yes, I have somebody who's now planning to turn their back on this person who's a promise breaker. They feel this person is very egoistic. They only like to have their own way. There's too much fighting, too much conflict. They always want to win every argument. They make me feel like I'm not worth it. It's better that I hold myself back now. Somebody is planning to hold back from a person who they feel now is a promise breaker. Why is the Queen of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit, as our overall energy? Why is the Queen of Pentacles in reverse? Somebody just wanted maybe somebody to choose to bring healing to this connection. Choose one person, maybe out of two or whatever, if this was a third party. Somebody was looking for a happily ever after here. But now they feel they have to take back control, take back power, take back charge of their own life, because they've kind of lost hope in this soulmate connection, Virgo. Losing hope in the soulmate connection. I think there were high hopes. Somebody was really wishing and hoping that we could work things out. But because they wanted their person to make a choice and that was not being made, somebody is losing hope in a soulmate connection. Of course, this is temporary. This is just the energy I'm picking up now. This could or could not be the truth about how your partner totally feels. I'll do that in the next reading. We'll go deeper into their heart and find out, are they really a promise breaker, or is there love here? All right, so don't worry about it too much. Take care of yourself. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.